Want to see a propane line that is incorrectly installed and could cause damage over time? It's a life safety issue. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today, I'm inspecting a brand new travel trailer, and what I've found is a life safety issue. May not cause an issue right away, but over time, it's going to be serious. So, LP lines shouldn't be in contact with any moving parts. If it is, could rub that line, cause damage down the road. May not be today, may not be tomorrow, may not be in 5 years, but 10 years, 2 years, 3 weeks, who knows when it's going to be a problem. But I've found a propane line that is sitting near, actually touching one of the stabilizing jacks on this travel trailer. And when you wind your leveling jacks down or you wind them up, that part is rubbing against the LP line. Let's just go take a look. Right here, this is the propane line touching the mechanism. And just so we can all see it, this is a brand new travel trailer built in May of 2023. It's currently May 18th of 2023. So this was literally built within the last couple of weeks. That propane line over time is probably going to get damaged. Maybe cause a propane leak, maybe cause a fire. If you're driving down the road and it causes damage, propane comes out, your chains are dragging the road, who knows what could happen, right? So, life safety issue. Easy fix for the dealership, something they can take care of, but it's something that you need to be aware of before you buy your RV. Put your family in this and take them on a trip. It's not just one of these RVs, folks. It's every brand new one. I am sitting on a brand new lot with a bunch of these. Let's take a look at a few of them beside it. Right there, you can see it on this one. Let's walk around to the other one. Looking like a common theme for this brand. That one's hanging down a little bit, not rubbing. Hanging down may be worse. Something grabs it while you're driving down the road, damages it. Either way, it's not a good look. I just showed you 4 sitting side by side, brand new, all the same way. So, for myrvresource.com, this is Jason. You have a nice day.